Welcome to Jha Brothers vlog. Today I am taking you to my kitchen. I'm just trying to cook meat, the goat meat today in Indian style. We states in India, UP and Bihar, where there is a desi kind of a style. They cook mutton or chicken, and they say is Ahuna kitchen, chicken or mutton. They use basically a pot which is made of soil. I will show you, like, because I was looking for the same here in Lagos, Nigeria, but I didn't find exactly how it looks. But I found something. I will just try to cook it. Very famous in India as a Champaran chicken or Champaran but meat house. You will see a lot of restaurants there. They are selling on the name of Champaran meat house, and it is very famous, very delicious. And the way of cooking is a bit different. Sometimes they have their own magic spices which I don't have, but I will use the general spices which I have and try to cook it as a Champaran style Ahuna mutton. So let's go and see how it's done. So I had the olive oil and the refined, but I bought the mustard oil because it gives a different kind of taste, So first we have to, heat it so that it takes away all the smell from it. Putting in a little bit of ginger. Red chili, turmeric, ginger powder, a bit of fennel, see guys, it is on the gas now. I put it on low flame and use a stand here so that I can cook it on a low flame slowly in order to provide a good taste. I just tried to cover it so that no steam come out, but I just left a small. Let's see, we'll wait for around 45 minutes, 60 minutes, and in between we just have to hold it from both the sides, and so that we mix it thoroughly 2-3 times while it cooks, you know. Let's see. So it's 30 minutes now, so I'm going to just mix it, you know, so that something which is on down will come up. I'll do the mixing so it properly gets cooked up. Okay guys, now it's been more than 1 hour. I'm going to switch it off and we'll wait for another 10-15 minutes to cool it down before I forcefully open this to see what is happening inside. So it has cooled down now. It's time to open and check how it looks. You can see how it looks. See how it looks after 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes to say. We just went for swimming and we came back, and you can see how delicious it looks, the color. Time guys, my brother is going to taste.
Let's see what he has done today. Oh my god, this looks delicious, super delicious. ये तो घर की याद दिला दी भाई. I mean, you know, I've been to one of the restaurant called Champaran chicken or Champaran mutton. I think
in Delhi.
Yeah, it looks like same, you know, quite similar. Let me just taste one of the piece just to see how it's, you know, turned out. Let me just take a bite. Oh my god, this is super delicious.
So don't trust him, he's my brother, so anyway he's going to tell you.
No, certainly I'm telling you, it's not fake. It's genuine comment and genuine feedback that it actually tastes very nice and mouth-watering, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye from here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.